Following the use of the Sea Hydrate shampoo, we are now going to use the SEAREVITALIZE Instant Intensive Care Treatment. This ampoule is designed to spray directly onto the hair in between the use of the shampoo and the mask. There are two types of ampoule, one for medium to coarse hair and one for fine hair. We're going to use the fine hair ampoule on Grace's hair because it suits the hair type much better. This product is designed to give the hair a head start in the healing process of the damage caused by color treatments, bleaching and straightening the hair. The combination of the Lauga Nord 5 and ingredients within the SEAREVITALIZE product give the hair a protective film against damage, preventing split ends. For best results when using the SEAREVITALIZE, we need to heat the bottle with warm water to activate the ingredients within the product. Then you must shake the bottle to further activate the ingredients. We are spraying the product all over the hair, making sure it is evenly distributed throughout, and it is important to use the whole ampoule per application for best results. Once complete, we are now going to leave the product for 5 to 10 minutes. The amount of time you leave the product to develop and the ingredients to do their job depends on the hair's condition.